Okay, students, in the previous class, we discussed in the meetings of a company, statutory meeting and annual general meeting. So now we are going to discuss about the board meetings, right? So what do you mean by these board meetings? Board meetings are very simple. See, right, board meetings are the meetings which are generally conducted by the board of directors of a company. So generally for company regular transactions and company regular activities, the board of directors will conduct the meetings regularly in the company. So those regular meetings are known to be as a board meetings. So board meetings are generally conducted by the board of directors of a company. So here there is no involvement of a shareholders in this meeting. So if you will observe, statutory meetings or AGM meetings there is a chance of involving the shareholders or the members of a company, but here the board meetings are the meetings which are completely involvement of the board of directors, and here the board of directors, they will conduct the meeting according to the rules and regulations of, that means according to the provisions which are mentioned according to the Companies Act 2013. So according to the rules and regulations of Companies Act 2013, this board of directors will conduct the board meetings, right? So whenever we are going to the main provision, so we said that here the board meetings will be conducted according to the rules and regulations of the Companies Act 2013. So then what are the provisions? What are the provisions of this board of meetings? We need to discuss. First, what are the number of meetings? So number of meetings and notice of meeting, so these all are comes under the provision. So notice of meeting and contents of that meeting, contents and notice of meeting to whom. We discussed this point even under the statutory meeting and the AGM also. The same is here, and even we have to discuss about the quorum, because here the quorum is different. Here in this board meetings, the quorum is different, and the power of CL board is there. So CL board in the sense company law board, right? So these all are comes under the provisions of board meetings, right? So number of meetings, as you know, right, in the company, board meetings actually board meetings will conducted like AGM only. Like that means nothing but every company, that means any company can conduct the board meetings, either it is a private, public, government company, or unlimited liability company. So whatever the company, unlimited companies, whatever the company it is there, so company, each and every company need to conduct the board meetings, right? So a number of meetings. So irrespective the nature or the transaction of a company, whatever the capital of a company, so whatever it is, so depends on to the capital or nature of the transactions conducted in the company. So here the company has to be conducted at least once in every 3 months. So at least once in every 3 months, or yearly 4 times. So yearly at least four times in the sense minimum, or it can conduct more than that also. So every 3 months once, or a yearly four meetings the company need to conduct the board meeting. So compulsory has to conduct every 3 months one meeting, or yearly four meetings, yearly at least four meetings in the company. So notice of meeting, so here we need to send same like a statutory meeting and same like AGM. Here the notice of this meeting also should send to the company within 21 clear days. So within 21 clear days we have to send to the persons, right, to whom we have to send the notice. Here the meeting of the notice to send to every member of a company, every member of a company, official, assignee,